of the hazards found in a sewage plant are magnified when entering a confined space. An accident or chemical exposure can very quickly become life-threatening, and in fact, year after year, lives are needlessly lost. What makes a confined space so dangerous?
It may have egress problems. That means getting out may be difficult. It may have a different atmosphere from what we're exposed to normally. And it may have specialized hazards as a result of what is in the confined space or the work that's going to be done in the confined space. Welding offers its own hazards. Cutting pipes offer their own hazards. Sandblasting operations offer their own hazards. Unclogging blocked sewers have hazards associated with them.
2 Toronto workers had a very close call while welding in a gas-filled chamber. The alarm system for their air supply failed, and they were forced to escape without oxygen.
We were in a very bad situation there. We had to come out of that tank without oxygen, no breath at all, and we couldn't take the mask off because if you take it off, you're never getting it. If it's pure gas you want to take in, it'll die right in the spot within seconds.
Defining a confined space is the first step in developing safe confined space entry procedure. Health and safety legislation may offer only a vague definition, which can be easily misinterpreted.
What is a confined space? Now, by definition, you can work your way around that depending whether you're management or whether you're a health and safety activist, right? So you have 2 different points of view, and we're confronting each other. Now, as far as I'm concerned, when you have a source of hazardous material, hazardous gases, noxious material, noxious gases in the workplace, any hole in the ground, I just use that term, a hole in the ground, any space at all, as far as I'm concerned, is a confined space. So you have to do your monitoring, take all the precautions that are required by the regulations.
Oxygen is normal.
Health and Safety Acts outline some of the procedures to be followed. They should include such measures as training, securing permits, blanking and locking out, testing and recording, proper breathing apparatus, harnesses, emergency procedures, and buddy system.